Hey everyone, it's Chrissy from AccuWeather. So, we've baked things in my car, so I thought, all right, let's try and make some more s'mores, the tasty summer treat to outdoors a different way. The best way to make s'mores is with a campfire, but what if we just want s'mores during the middle of the day? It's a sunny day. Well, I found a way that you can make s'mores without firing up that campfire. So what I did here, I got a glass pan and I just put the graham cracker and marshmallows in the pan and then let the sun do the cooking. So they've been sitting out here for about 2 hours now. The best thing about the pan is that way no bugs get into your cooking and get into your food. So they protect us from the bugs. So you can see these have been sitting here for 2 hours. Look at how gooey they are. So I probably could have pulled them out of my oven a little sooner. So what I'm gonna do to complete the s'more, and take my chocolate, put it on top, squish it there. I'm gonna put my oven pan back on top, and we're gonna let the sun cook this just a little longer, and we'll be back soon to see how they taste. All right, it was just 15 minutes ago that we put our oven back on top of our s'mores because we were cooking the marshmallows earlier, and then we had, no s'mores complete without chocolate. So we put a block of chocolate on top and then put our oven back on top. Basically, I was using a cake pan here and just letting the sun cook it. And look, in 15 minutes, I'll pull it off here. We got that chocolate to melt. And let's see what the temperature here of the shirt, because definitely the darker shirt is absorbing it. Temperature here was right over, look at that, around 110. A few other places here, yeah, right around 110 degrees was, how hot the shirt was. And I think the one good thing with this pan, it was letting that moisture, as it was cooking, so it kept those marshmallows, very gooey, and then that sun was just heating up that chocolate. So we have our s'mores. There it is, complete. Oh, that's gonna be a gooey mess, but let's see how it tastes. Ooh, this is gonna be nice and messy. That's a good s'more.